everyone! Today we are drawing a cat. Start with an oval face. Now add pointy ears.
Perfect!
Time to draw big eyes. Add a cute nose and smile. Let's make the cat's body.
You did awesome!
Draw the legs just like this. Now draw a wiggly tail. And a collar for our kitty.
Good job!
Let's draw a cat's mustache. Add stripes to the face. Finish with stripes on the body. Our cat looks great! Now let's start coloring. This part will go faster, but you can pause at the end to match our colors. Time for a fun fact. Did you know cats sleep about 70% of their lives? Which is almost 16 hours a day. That's like taking a super long nap every day. They must dream of chasing mice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.